Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Today's Dollar Tree cooking video is a P&J Crunchy French Toast. So you're going to need some corn flakes, you're going to need, Frosted Flakes, also some peanut butter and some jelly. Everything is from the Dollar Tree. You'll also need some bread, of course. This bread is also from the Dollar Tree. And then you'll need an egg, some milk, and some cinnamon powder, also all found at the Dollar Tree. And you'll just mix that well. Then you can go ahead and just crunch up those Frosted Flakes right in the bag. And you'll make your P&J however you like it. I like to add peanut butter on each bread piece and then the jelly in the middle. So go ahead and just dip your P&J right in that milk and egg mixture. And then place it on top of the crushed corn flakes. And just coat each side well with those corn flakes. Then you'll need some margarine melted on a pan, and go ahead and just place that sandwich right onto that pan and cook it on both sides till it's done. About 4 to 5 minutes. Then you'll have this delicious, crunchy peanut butter and jelly French toast. This is a great treat for the kids, a little twist on some French toast breakfast. And here you go, this delicious crunchy peanut butter and jelly French toast. You have that ooey gooey peanut butter and jelly and the crunchy bread, and it's just delicious. And of course it is French toast, so if you want you can add a little syrup on top, and you just have this really simple twist on French toast. Give it a try, let your kids try it out. Let me know what you guys think of it if you try it. Thanks for watching, and if you're new, hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you guys really soon in the next video.